Companies like Ather, Ola Electric, Tata Elxsi are scaling fast. But one thing that is slowing them down is the skill gap. They are not just hiring engineers, they are hiring professionals who can work hand-on with motor control, BMS and embedded systems from day one. If you are already into this industry, you know the shift is real. And that's exactly where Skyy Skill Academy comes. At Skyy Skill Academy, a job-driven program and designed for working professionals who are ready to level up in embedded systems, vehicle design and analysis, CAD, CAM, MATLAB, Simulink and much more. Learn through 100% live classes guided by industry experts and mentors from IIT Kanpur. Get personalized mentorship with key projects reviewed by IIT Kanpur faculty and earn a certification which truly matters. Build real-world skills through hands-on designing, simulation and practical engineering challenges. With 100% placement assistance and the potential to earn 200% hike in your current CTC, you are not just upgrading your skill, you are upgrading your career. Powered by IIT Kanpur, designed for tomorrow.